Good day, everyone. It's a great pleasure to be gathered here at the UTech factory. Noting the keen interest many of you have shown in our ZPRO digital engraving machine, today I'll provide a comprehensive overview of this high-performance product. ZPRO's core strengths lie in four key areas: precision, efficiency, structural design, and adaptability. ZPRO excels in the advertising industry. It features 4 kilowatts, 40,000 RPM high-speed water-cooled tool-changing speedo, industrial-grade CCD camera, and 150 watts high-power oscillating knife with an optional creasing knife available. Whether working with hard materials like timber, acrylic, or aluminum composite panels, or flexible materials like felt, paper products, PVC foam board, leather, and craft paper, it achieves precise and flawless cutting. The front end features an automatic tool calibrator and an 8-station automatic tool magazine. This configuration not only enhances processing flexibility, but also reduces manual intervention, providing robust support for automated production. Both the X-axis gantry and Y-axis column are constructed from full aluminum material, achieving lightweight design while ensuring robust structural integrity and stability. With a maximum operating speed of 100 meters per minute. It guarantees processing quality while compressing production cycles, significantly boosting efficiency. This machine's working area is 2000 times 3000 millimeters, featuring a multi-zone vacuum table and T-slot clamping system to comprehensively address diverse machining requirements. We offer 4 working area configurations ranging from 1300 times 2500 millimeters to 2000 times 4000 millimeters, effortlessly handling everything from small precision components to oversized panels. If you require processing for materials exceeding these dimensions, we can provide bespoke specification solutions. If this machine piques your interest, please contact us. We'll show ZPRO at the FESPA European Science Expo 2026 in Barcelona, Spain this May. We invite you to experience its capability firsthand at the expo. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.